U.S. Department of Justice has announced that federal employees can now install TikTok on devices provided by the government, as its current version doesn't pose any risks like the previous one. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. In 2022, TikTok was banned on almost all devices issued by the U.S. federal government due to national security concerns. Chris Wray, the FBI director at the time, warned that China could use the app to collect data on users. In 2024, the U.S. House of Representatives passed a bill that would ban TikTok in the country entirely unless ByteDance sells it. This pushed the company to make a new entity called TikTok USDS. ByteDance retained an almost 20% stake in the new app, but it was controlled by a group of non-Chinese investors like Oracle. With the deal, TikTok said the new ventures will protect American users' data with Oracle's secure U.S. cloud environment. It also said that the U.S. entity will train TikTok's algorithm on data from people in the U.S. while letting users still get international content. The Justice Department's announcement said the version of TikTok operated by the TikTok U.S. Data Security joint venture doesn't fall within this prohibition because the joint venture functions independently of ByteDance, is majority owned by American investors, and has revised the content recommendation algorithm and cybersecurity program originally developed by ByteDance to protect federal government information against the concerning security features that initially motivated the prohibition. However, it's still up to individual agencies to decide whether or not to allow their employees to download TikTok on federal phones. The DOJ said agencies may independently decide to ban the downloading of TikTok to government devices for workforce management reasons, such as promoting employee productivity. But now that rule's been kicked off as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.